Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Japandi design is a beautiful fusion of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian warmth, creating a harmonious and serene aesthetic that's both modern and timeless. Here are some secrets to achieving Japandi design harmony in your home. Minimalism with warmth. At the heart of Japandi design is minimalism, focusing on simplicity, clean lines, and uncluttered spaces. However, unlike stark minimalism, Japandi incorporates warmth through natural materials, soft textures, and subtle colors. Embrace the simplicity of Japanese design while adding the warmth of Scandinavian elements like wood, textiles, and earthy tones. Natural materials. Use natural materials like wood, stone, and bamboo to bring warmth and texture to your space. Choose light-colored wood such as oak, birch, or ash for furniture and flooring, emphasizing natural grains and imperfections. Incorporate stone or concrete elements for a touch of industrial flair, and add bamboo or rattan accents for a hint of organic charm. Neutral color palette. Stick to a neutral color palette dominated by soft, earthy tones such as whites, grays, beiges, and muted greens. These calming colors create a serene backdrop that promotes relaxation and tranquility. Add touches of black or charcoal for contrast and depth, but keep them subtle to maintain the overall harmony of the space. Clean lines and simple forms. Choose furniture and decor with clean lines and simple, geometric forms characteristic of both Japanese and Scandinavian design. Opt for low-profile sofas, streamlined tables, and minimalist shelving units that emphasize functionality and elegance. Avoid ornate or fussy details, focusing instead on sleek and understated pieces. Functional design. Embrace the ethos of functional design by prioritizing practicality and efficiency in your home. Select furniture that serves multiple purposes and maximizes space, such as storage beds, modular shelving, or multifunctional tables. Keep surfaces clear of clutter and invest in organizational solutions that help maintain a tidy and organized environment. Natural light and airiness. Maximize natural light and create an airy atmosphere in your home to enhance the feeling of spaciousness and openness. Opt for sheer curtains or blinds that allow plenty of light to filter through while maintaining privacy. Keep windows unobstructed to optimize views of the outdoors, connecting your interior space with nature. Balanced mix of textures. Layer different textures to add depth and visual interest to your Japandi interior. Combine smooth surfaces like wood and glass with tactile materials like wool, linen, and cotton. Mix and match textures to create contrast and balance, such as pairing a sleek wooden table with a plush rug or a rough stone accent wall with soft throw pillows. Handcrafted and artisanal touches. Incorporate handcrafted and artisanal elements to infuse your space with personality and authenticity. Choose handmade pottery, woven baskets, or ceramic vases to add a sense of craftsmanship and uniqueness to your decor. These one-of-a-kind pieces bring warmth and character to your home, creating a sense of connection to the human touch. Japanese-inspired Zen Spaces. Create Zen-inspired spaces within your home that promote relaxation and mindfulness. Design a meditation corner with floor cushions, a low table, and a Zen garden or indoor bonsai tree. Integrate elements like shoji screens, sliding doors, and tatami mats to evoke the tranquility of traditional Japanese interiors. Scandinavian Hygge comfort. Embrace the Scandinavian concept of hygge, pronounced hygge, to cultivate coziness and comfort in your Japandi home. Layer soft blankets, plush rugs, and oversized throw pillows to create inviting nooks for lounging and relaxation. Incorporate candles, natural light, and soft ambient lighting to enhance the warmth and intimacy of your space. By incorporating these secrets of Japandi design harmony into your home, you can create a serene and stylish living environment that reflects the best of both Japanese and Scandinavian aesthetics. Embrace simplicity, warmth, and functionality to achieve a balanced and harmonious space that promotes well-being and comfort. As we come to the end of today's video, I hope you found some inspiration and ideas for your own interior design projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and creative solutions for transforming your space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below which design element you liked the most. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy decorating!